A bit of live data while we're idling here. It's DPF, first two. Should never really get over 100%, so that's why it's flagged this. This differential pressure sensor is reading quite high just for idle. I would hope to see that less than 1 kPa at idle. All of these temperature sensors seem to be working fine. Let's do key on, engine off. So differential pressure, you can see, has gone to 0. So happy with that. The sensor seems to be telling the truth. Got a few other tests we can do there to see, but looks like we'll be pulling off this vaporizer. So the first step we're going to do after the scan is just unplug this differential pressure sensor, plugged my own hand pump and pressure gauge into it. We just want to see if the live data matches what our manual gauge says. Apparently, so we're sitting at 27 kPa, and I'd call that near enough to me. Next we want to actually measure it, so coming straight off the exhaust here, and we are reading about 2-3 kPa, a bit high. Want to see that right on the 0 at idle. We'll just give it a bit of a rev. And yeah, it's higher than I'd like. I just popped the fuel pipe off this DPF vapor injector. It just injects diesel and has a little glow plug, warms it up. So I got my vacuum gauge and my little hand pump. Just add some vacuum. And it shouldn't be holding any vacuum whatsoever. So next test, we just check this little glow plug as well. So I just unplug the harness connector, both wires, and we've got 7 ohms. I'd call that okay. Next test is to make sure this little fuel pump for the DPF works properly. So we just got the hose off into a bucket, scan tool. Oh god. Here we go. And yep, it's ticking away there. Happy with that. Of course, none of it matters if it's seized and you can't get it with a normal socket. You just fucking you gotta break it off. Ouch. Now I can get a proper socket on it. Here's that same test with the new sensor. Just return straight to 0. Glad to see those numbers come down 120%. So we're onto a good thing, I think. Let's keep going. And just like that, we're down into the 40s, so I think we can call that a fix. Differential pressure sensor still a little bit high. I think that'll come down a bit more as it keeps burning. Main thing is the cluster's happy. And we'll send this one on its way.